Hey, I'm Christian Velitchkov, founder of multiple businesses. Today I'm going to talk about how to start a BPO company, essentially, and the easiest way to do it. It could be a BPO company or a call center. Right now, I have around over 60 people on our team that are offshore that work for clients, and they serve over 120 clients within our book of business. And you can do the same thing. You can create a BPO company. It's not that hard. The first step I'm going to go into is show you how to find uh, the talent for your BPO business. So, number one way to do it is you post a job. So, let's just say some of the clients I work with, they need someone to speak Spanish. Let's just say you have an attorney. They need bilingual Spanish speaking. You would make a job post for Colombia or another Spanish speaking country. Now, if you want someone in Asia, you could also do the Philippines. I recommend the Philippines. As long as you pay people $500 to $1,000 a month in the Philippines, that's a good rate. Same as Colombia. Those countries, you can get English speaking individuals that are very talented in the 500,000 range. So just post a job on LinkedIn. It's great. Another one is you can use Indeed, right? You can find talent on Indeed for the staff. And what can the staff do? They can cold call. They can do any clerical task. They can do anything else. So then the question is, how do you get your first BPO client? It's simple. You go back, you go to LinkedIn, you search for people that fit your criteria, and then you message them and you make something personalized for them. And you tell them that you can help them get staff or you can help them with whatever work they need. And with the work that you help them with, you can get staffing. So you could get people in the $1,000 to $1,500 range to work on your clients, and that would kind of get a lot of interest people. So you can get a cold caller, let's just say for a business, you could sell cold calling staff or sales staff. You could get them for 1,500 or 1,000. Tell the client you get them for 1,000, 1,500, and you train them. You do everything else for the client, and then you place them for the client. So you pay the staff 600 plus 200 for software and regulatory fees, contracts, everything else. So it's 800, and then you charge the client 1,500. That gives you $700 left. So this is something you can implement yourself and start off. Cold calling is one. Inbound calls and leads is another. So if the attorney's office would need Spanish-speaking staff, you can tell them you can get full-time Spanish-speaking staff or a 24/7 call center. It'll cost them. You'll need 4 people for that. Basically, morning shift, afternoon shift, night shift, right? 3 people for that, Monday to Friday. So and if you need weekends, you'll need 4 people. So then to do this, you'll need 4 people. 4 people, 1,500. That's 6,000. That's how much you're charging them, and then that will cost you 4 people. Let's just say will cost you $800 each, 3,200. So you make 2,800 for yourself by doing that. And the beautiful part here is why is being a BPO company so successful? Building call centers so successful is because no one's going to want to do this themselves. If they did try to do this themselves, they're exposing themselves to a lot of risk. What happens if they get fraud? If you're doing it yourself and you master the systems, you hold the liability. You know how to get the talent. Hiring people is difficult. Understanding the culture is difficult. So my recommendation is stick to one country. Learn the culture, get to know the people, learn how to train them, and then from there, everything else is good. But that's just how to get the talent, to get clients. You're just gonna have to reach out to them. You have to run advertisements. If you can't afford a budget for advertising, you're gonna have to go pick up the phone, cold call. Maybe it's just as simple as going to the coffee shop near you and asking them, or a business near you that can use a virtual receptionist or a virtual assistant, and you tell them that it'll be more cost effective than U.S. staff, and that's one way to enter. It's going to require sales. I would not recommend hiring people offshore before you know how to get sales. Before you build a sales team for yourself, make sure you get to 5 clients for yourself. Once you get to 5 clients, then hire someone to do cold calling. Because if you can't get 5 clients for yourself, no matter who you pay, they're not going to be able to figure it out for you. So that's just my 2 cents. Hope this video was helpful. This is how to start a BPO company. and follow sub for more.